Step 1. Firstly, power on your Amazon Firestick device and ensure that it is connected to the internet. Step 2. Choose the Find option on the home screen. Step 3. Using the search option available, find the official Fox Nation app. Step 4. Now, select the Fox Nation app and continue to the next step. Step 5. Simultaneously, click on the Get button available on the screen. Step 6. Once the app is installed successfully on your Amazon Firestick, launch the app from the My Apps and Games section. Step 7. Log into the app with your official account username and password. Step 8. Then, you have to copy the activation code on the screen. Step 9. Navigate to the official app activation page of Fox Nation using a PC or smartphone. Step 10. Enter the code that you got on your Firestick screen and click on the Submit button. Step 11. Your Fox Nation app will get activated within a few minutes and be ready for your usage.